Can I just have 1 minute of privacy, please? Gosh. We added a new member of the pack a few weeks ago. He's hypoallergenic, doesn't shed, never leaves a mess, and doesn't smell. Meet Amazon's latest smart robot, Astro. Released late last year, I finally got my hands on this robot by forking over $1,000. But should you buy it when it becomes available to everyone later for a whopping $1,500? Stick around to find out. What is up, guys? It's Chris with Everett Chris, and it's time to talk tech. Now, when I saw this announcement for this, I was super excited. The future is now here, and in my mind, I was thinking of Meet the Jetsons, but better. Astro is a smart robot that follows you around, knows faces, has a periscoping camera, hangs out with you, and can bring drinks to you whenever you want. It sounds super cool. And I think the coolest feature for me was being able to monitor the house while I'm gone and be able to check on things and see if I left something on, like the burner on the kitchen. Now, let's start with how the future of robots looks. They did a great job with Astro. It starts with a 10-inch touchscreen as its face, and it can rotate up or down or left and right, and houses the cameras to see you. Now, the eyes on the screen are always staring at you, but when you call his name, it turns into the Alexa dial and can hear you almost anywhere thanks to tons of built-in microphones that are on the Amazon Echo. As far as its body's concerned, it's pretty much a giant wheel, but it has two giant wheels and one 360-degree rotating wheel, so it can move around easily on hardwood and even high pile carpet. It did have a few issues moving over my bath mats, however. There are sensors all over its body to detect objects, but surprisingly no laser sensors like my other robot vacuums. On the back, it also has a nice little storage area that can support USB-C charging, as well as powering devices like a Furbo dog camera. Or you can add the cup holder attachment so it can be a glorified drink deliverer. As far as setup goes, setting up the Astro was super cool as it went around the entire home to create a map of the floor plan. Although Astro doesn't support multiple floors and can't go upstairs, it took its sweet time getting to know my home. And while it drives around, it makes a super cool electric vehicle sound so that you and the dogs know it's coming. And it's a good thing too, because this thing zooms. There's also a pretty solid speaker on Astro to play music and to control its quirky chirps. During its facial recognition setup, it reminds me a lot of Apple's Face ID by scanning my facial features so it knows the people in my home. This is a fun feature as it knows when a person comes close to it, and it'll be super happy to see you if it hasn't seen you for a while. Not only does it recognize people, it also recognizes people it doesn't know. This can be super useful if you're not home and you want to make sure your kids don't do anything suspicious and bring over strangers into your home. It also does this when your alarm mode is in away or home mode. However, I did find it to be glitchy sometimes and would alert me that they detected a face when it was just itself in the reflection or something that looked like a person. One really weird and annoying thing is when I have my Ring alarm enabled and away, when the robot is investigating, it actually tripped my motion sensor, causing my Ring alarm to go off. You would think because it's in the Ring ecosystem, it would kind of understand and know the Astro device when in away mode, but it doesn't. Other smart alerts are similar to Amazon's Echo devices where it can detect glass breaking or the sound of the smoke detector. Now, the Astro loves to hang out with you. After it's done charging and it sees people nearby, it'll usually say that it's gonna hang out in areas where people are, unless you tell him not to. And for us, it's the living room. He'll just undock himself and place himself near one of my dogs, who actually doesn't like Astro at all, Peanut. For some reason, Astro loves to chill near Peanut's food bowls. The Astro does a pretty good job of navigating throughout my home, although it does have some issues where it can't see things, and I had to get it unstuck a few times. Now, aside from that and a few other features like video calling, my honeymoon phase with Astro was over real quick. First, Astro is super glitchy at times. I would tell him to do something and he just wouldn't get it. So I just have to do it myself. Like I was trying to give a drink to my wife. However, Astro took forever and didn't know what to do. So I ended up just giving the drink to her myself. I mean, if you have a 5,000 square foot one-story home, Then it may be nice to have so you can deliver messages and drinks to people, but I didn't find it to be worth it. The biggest issue I had with Astro, however, is it just feels like a glorified Amazon Alexa device. And it just doesn't feel right when I ask Astro things and it responds in the Alexa voice. It just feels weird. Is it an Astro or is it an Alexa? Should I pay $40 for an Echo Dot or $1,500 for Astro? Overall, the Astro is such a great idea, but it just needs more features. I think the best way to describe Astro is it's just another pair of eyes to watch something. If you have a grandma or grandpa living by themselves, having an Astro will be nice so you can keep an eye on them. If you're away a lot or always forget to turn things off, having Astro is also nice. But don't forget that in order to use a lot of these Astro features, you need to have an active ring protection subscription. For me personally, I don't think Astro is worth it at all, as it just doesn't make sense with all the other Alexa and smart devices in my home. It is pretty neat though that Astro keeps getting better. On their website, they do have new software features like checking in on the pets, as well as checking to see if you left a door open. But again, you can do all these things with smart locks and stationary cameras. I think a way better and much cheaper option is Amazon's new Ring Always Home camera that can fly around and check things for you while you're home or while you're away. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.